physically
It makes
angry.
me furious, bro. पहली बात कि we were talking about something and so we were talking about reservations and how there are reservations for women in the Lok Sabha 33%.
हाँ.
ठीक है? And some stupid dumbass girl said that reservations. What did she say?
हाँ, basically it was a conversation about do reservations go against right to equality, because we were studying about fundamental rights.
ठीक है. So first of all, now I'm a political science student. Okay. So this is coming from a very like actual academic point of view that पहली बात तो you cannot put right to equality and reservations in the
same category.
Same category. Absolutely not. Reservations are not right to equality. They are right to equity. They are two completely different things. अगर men are starting from here, अगर men का starting point is here, then women का starting point is here. To make them up to men's level, you need reservations. That is how you lift downtrodden classes up. And can you believe कि हमारी society में women कितना ज़्यादा गिरी हुई है? अगर आप SCs और STs को और women को same class में डाल रहे हो, same category में डाल रहे हो, women are a whole gender. Dude, if I go into statistics, statistically in the world there are more females than there are men, and there are more females and still they are so depressed in terms of like political rights and stuff. It's disgusting. And then you're saying that reservations don't pull you up, they pull you down. How is that?
And the fact that she just said you're trying to make yourself out to be a victim, I still वही परी I will never get over this. मैंने जो फ्यूरी उस चीज में फील करी, मुझे पता था मैं कैसे अपने आप को मैंने वापस आगे टर्न करा है.
Dude, I am not joking. अगर वो मेरे सामने आ गई मैं उसको सच्ची में थप्पड़ मार दूंगी.
मैं भाई I was like मैंने उसकी तरफ एक सेकंड के लिए और देखा ना, मैं सीट के अक्रॉस लंच करके थप्पड़ मार दूंगी उसको.
Dude, I would have stared a hole into her. What is wrong with that girl? Does she understand freaking nothing? उसको
भाई how can you be so sheltered being a girl yourself and then say shit like this. भाई मुझे लड़कों से इतनी नफरत है. I hate girls like this more than I hate them, because and I feel so much pity for them. I feel bad, like it genuinely makes me feel so sad for them.
Dude, it's not just about hating guys, it's about society in general, and that includes women. If women like her have put women down, and उनकी वजह उस बंदी की वजह से reservations exist. You can't crawl up the social ladder if you don't have enough resources. Reservations are resources. That is how you get into the Lok Sabha. And I promise you, if there were not reservations, Aadhi women would not have been in the Lok Sabha.
So true. Our president would not be a female.
Exactly. Dude, you people like this get so happy jab like a woman does something great and they're like, oh my god, we wear it like a badge of honor. Why the hell do you think that happened? Exactly. Because of equity, because women had nothing in the beginning and now they do. Yeah, dude, मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है ना अभी.
I know, मुझे पता था.
Holy shit,
भाई मैंने घर आके जो rant दिया, it's just. How can you believe in gender equality and not believe in feminism? I don't get it. This is like another level of.
I feel like no, people who don't believe in feminism are the dumbest people on
exactly
earth, because they think that, you know what, I'll tell you the psyche of these people. They think feminism comes from the word feminine, so they're like, because it's feminine, then it's about girls. People, yeah, this reminds me of that Brooklyn Nine-Nine वाला episode जिसमें Captain का क्या नाम था? हाँ, Captain Holt said कि nobody cares about etymology and he had that breakdown.
अच्छा.
That's me right now, because nobody in this world cares about etymology. And what is wrong with you if you don't believe in feminism as a girl at that?
Why exactly? Especially as a
girl, dude. These
how
are
can you not care
concepts
about your own people?
Yeah, there are some people that I know my age. My own sister has done projects on feminism and gender inequality for 2 years straight. She has done a sociology project. She has done general studies project. She has done her English project, all on gender inequality. And I see that research. I know what these concepts are because I am woke. Because I know shit. I have seen discrimination in my life. And I've seen discrimination with the people that I surround myself with.
And it's also so engraved that half of the time we are not even realizing it's happening.
Exactly.
Which that is just another problem. वो तो like बहुत ही अलग level है.
While we are on this topic, I did a sociology survey in 12th standard on the topic sexual assault in social settings. And you filled that form out. And the results were shocking to me. Like every other person has been assaulted. Every other girl. I know 5 girls from my own circle who have been sexually assaulted. And that's not funny. Every girl can tell you an instance from her life where she feels like she's being stripped naked of her reality.
Right. And can I just say, it doesn't matter what the extent is, that is not the point.
Exactly.
Because I know there are going to be people who care about that shit.
Especially when you live in Delhi, you step out of the house as a girl and you feel like 5 male gazes on you.
Exactly. भाई हम सड़क भी नहीं क्रॉस कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. And
आराम
to
से.
say as a girl that you are pulling yourself down by reservations, oh my god.
It is just मतलब I can't believe कोई बंदा इतना गलत हो सकता है.
Exactly. It is embarrassing. भाई, I know guys who believe in feminism.
Right. As they should.
As they should.
Bare
exactly.
minimum.
And dude, as a girl, you say that you don't believe in feminism. That's you are society.
Right. You are the problem.
You are society. You are the problem. Exactly.
भाई मुझे physically गुस्सा.
मेरे कुछ मेरे हाथ शिवर कर रहे हैं.
This was me आज सुबह, but at the end I had, this is so sad. इतना गुस्सा करने के बाद, इतना like रोने के बाद, अपना सर मारने के बाद, the realization that this is not the first time this is happening. और अब मुझे जाके finally समझ आ रहा है that जिन लोगों को समझना नहीं है ना, they never will. No matter मैं उनको कितने statistics दूँ, no matter मैं कितनी logical चीज़ बोलूँ, no matter मैं कितनी sentimental चीज़ बोलूँ, no matter कितनी personal चीज़ बोलूँ, if they don't want to understand, they never will. And that is just such a hard and a sad like concept to understand.
Dude, this is why I keep saying that we
And
need
I
to
feel-
dominate the world as girls and we need to freaking wipe this घटिया population.
And you
of
know, I feel
the earth.
scared कि जिस दिन अगर उसको ये realization होगी, I don't want it to be because of something bad. Like it makes me feel very, like I actually, it makes me want to cry.
Dude, like if you're not able to understand this, then how the hell will you?
Right.
अगर आपको पता है क्या, अगर आपको कोई ऐसी बात बता रहा है ना, something that is politically very active and like जो बहुत रियल सिनेरियो में आप देख सकते हो और आपको फिर भी वो चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही, then it is inevitable that आपको वो चीज़ तभी समझ आएगी जब आपके साथ वो चीज़ होएगी. And that moment is going to hit you so hard, you will feel bad about it, people around you will feel bad about it.
Right.
And she is going to realize that.
And I feel very sad.
Dude, as a girl, it's inevitable for you to, go through discrimination of some sort. It's disgusting that she doesn't believe in feminism.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
I feel ashamed. And I pity her so much. Like that is the biggest. मैं जितना भी गुस्सा कर लूँ, मुझे जितना भी disgusting लगता हूँ, जितना भी like heinous लगता हूँ मुझे, at the end I pity her so much.
She needs to go through my project.
Yeah, I might just unblock her. उसको project send कर.
Dude, my whole project was based on the fact that women face more discrimination and women face more sexual assault than males. Like teenagers, dude.
Like तुझे पता है इतने सारे incidents also they go unlooked and people like these are a part of the reason why.
Exactly.
Like obviously बहुत सारे reasons है, but they are definitely a part of it and they are a big part.
Dude, अभी जो 5-year-old का rape हुआ, that whole thing, I cried for 30 minutes about it. Half an hour I was just sitting there and I was crying that how can this go uncovered by the media? Everywhere, political elections are happening, general elections. How important is that for our country? No mention of sexual assault, no mention of gender inequality in any of the manifestos, anywhere. भाई मैं कह रही हूँ मैं 25 की हो जाऊँ और अगर मैं जिंदा रही 25 तक, I am going to establish my own frigging political party and I will change this frigging stupid system of this country. मेरे को नहीं समझ आता what is wrong.
You know, because the thing is we need people like that. Now political parties are not about bringing change.
It's about gande, drunk, stupid, old, ghatiya men,
and it's
in
about
power.
Wait.
That's literally it. That's why Draupadi Murmu was a win for us, because A, she's a woman. B, she's from a downtrodden caste. And C, she gets it.
Right, she gets it. Exactly.
She gets it. That's why Smriti Irani का जो उसने, it was Smriti Irani, right?
हाँ,
the
menstruation.
हाँ, about menstruation. Menstruation is not a handicap. I agree. But you cannot say that we can't get leaves based on that.
Why? Because you can't say कि लोगों को like physical, mental चीजें नहीं होती.
Exactly.
Like vary करती है बहुत
Dude,
ज़्यादा.
that whole पूरा hormonal वाला, there was a new study on the hormonal changes that women and men go through. Now, this hormonal study has only been done on males. So we know that hormones fluctuate, right? But hormones, there's a whole chart that hormones, if hormones in males fluctuate like this, and hormones in male and females fluctuate like this, and this is like one day on your cycle. Imagine how much that would have been. There is a lack of research,
which is so frustrating.
Dude, we need more girls in STEM.
Please, women in STEM.
If you are a science student and you are a girl,
more power to
you. You are winning in life. Do shit for us, bro. And I'm not a science student, so I can't do much for the world. But if you are a STEM student and if you are doing some research for females, more power to you. Bhai, you are a god. It's not easy. And
you're doing God's work.
Exactly. And the discrimination that you face in STEM.
Oh my god.
That's another freaking story. That's a podcast for another day. The 12-minute video of us just going mayhem on the fact that she doesn't believe in feminism. Oh my god.
मैंने एक रील देखी थी जिसमें वो लोगों से पूछ रहे थे कि अगर तुम 5 फीमेल CEOs को नेम कर सकते हो. ब्रो मैं नहीं कर रही. I refuse.
Like, yeah, where are females most visible? Now, if you see otherwise also,
oh my
pop
god,
culture.
I just remembered something. मैंने एक वीडियो देखी थी. It was basically talking about कि जो भी female dominated industries होती है ना, जैसी वो female dominated बनती है उनकी value down हो जाती है.
Exactly.
Nursing, मतलब तुम एक डॉक्टर के फॉर्म में हो. इट यूज टू बी वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस. जैसी वो फीमेल डोमिनेटेड हुई, नर्सिंग इज लाइक ओ क्या है उसमें, बस डॉक्टर के पीछे पीछे तो घूमना है सिरिंज पकड़ के. नो, यू हैव टू गेट अ डिग्री.
Exactly, and nurses go through almost the exact same education as doctors.
Exactly,
they are as qualified as doctors.
Exactly, मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ. आर्किटेक्चर पहले अब इतना फीमेल डोमिनेटेड हुआ है. तुझे पता है आर्किटेक्चर की वेजेस जो है USA में वो कितनी डाउन हो गई है. This is an actual thing. Like जैसे industry female dominated बनती है, they start getting paid less.
Yeah, we talk about health pandemics. Gender inequality is a pandemic, and it's been going on for ages.
It's like ये वो चीज होगी ना, when you're standing in the middle of a storm, you don't realize.
Exactly. Yeah, it's so wrong. How do guys not get it? Like, I have guy friends who joke around about female inequality and like about girls being, lesser than them, and I want to puke on their faces.
उनके मुंह पे अपनी बॉटल फेंकनी है, उनका मुंह तोड़ दूंगी मैं.
यार वही, if you are a guy and you don't get how much inequality girls face every single day, you are wrong. What are you doing?
And it's also just like प्लीज बी थैंकफुल अबाउट द प्रिविलेजेस यू हैव, बिकॉज तुम्हें भाई लड़कों की आर्ग्यूमेंट हमेशा ये होती है कौन सी प्रिविलेजेस, तुम किस चीज की बात कर रहे हो. द फैक्ट दैट यू डोंट रियलाइज यू हैव अ प्रिविलेज इज अ प्रिविलेज इन एंड ऑफ इटसेल्फ.
एग्जैक्टली. हमारे साथ यार हमारे साथ ना सोशियोलॉजी में भी यही हुआ था. वी वर डिस्कसिंग कास्ट्स. ठीक है. सो वी वर लाइक कि वी वर वाचिंग एन एपिसोड ऑफ सत्यमेव जयते ऑन द स्मार्ट बोर्ड एंड द पर्सन हु वाज द स्पीकर उसने बोला कि when you are the higher caste, जो आप अगर आप देखो metropolitan cities में nobody knows their caste. And that is because all of them are Brahmins. Because they are all higher castes, that is why they don't know what their caste is. We have an actual topic in sociology that why caste invisibility has become a thing for upper castes. Because you inherited that life, you inherited that exposure.
तुम्हें लगता है नॉर्मल है.
एग्जैक्टली. और इफ यू आर अ लोअर कास्ट, every lower caste knows their identity, knows their caste, because they have been made, they have felt that, because it has been pointed out by other people कि तू lower caste है. So there is no lower caste person who doesn't know that they are a lower caste. That is so messed up. And that is why if you are in a metropolitan city and you don't know your caste, be grateful, because you are a higher caste. And you have inherited that lifestyle. Again, that's exactly the same with freaking reservations. You start from zero and you have inherited that wealth. मैं गरम हो चुकी हूँ भाई. Okay, bye. Thank you for listening to our podcast.